Good morning all of you. In the last class we have discussed about the process of removal of iron and manganese from water. And today we will go for the uh, next topic, that is distribution system. After the water has been properly treated and made safe, it has to be supplied to the consumers in their individual homes. The water, therefore, to be taken from the treatment plant to the roads and streets in the city and finally to the individual houses. So this function of carrying water from the treatment plant to the individual home is accomplished through a well planned distribution system. Therefore, a distribution system consists of pipelines of various sizes for carrying the water to the streets, valves for controlling the flow in the pipes, service connections to the individual homes, meters for measuring discharges, and pumps for lifting and forcing the water into the distribution pipe. Okay, so next we will discuss about what are the requirements of a good distribution system. So it should be capable of supplying water at all the intended places with a sufficient pressure head. Then it should be capable of supplying water for firefighting purposes. It should be cheap with least capital construction cost. It should be simple and easy to operate and repair. Next, it should be safe against any future pollution of water. So this aim may be achieved by keeping the water pipeline above and away from the sewerage and drainage line. Then it should be safe as not to cause failure of the pipeline by bursting of the pipe, etc. It should be fairly watertight so as to keep the losses due to leakage to the minimum. So these are the different requirements of a good distribution system. Next, we will discuss about the different layouts of distribution network. So the distribution pipes are generally laid below the road pavement and their layouts will generally follow the layouts of the road. So in general there are 4 different types of pipe network. So any one of which single or in combination can be used at a particular place. So depending upon the local condition and orientation of the road. So the systems are dead end system, gridiron system, ring system, radial system. So first we will discuss about the dead end system. So this dead end system is also known as tree system, in which there is only one main supply pipe. See the diagram of a dead end system. So in this there is a main pipeline from which a number of submain pipes are originated. So these are the submain pipes. So from the main pipe, these are the submain pipes. So each submain then divides into several branch pipes. So these are the branch pipe. From the submain, then it is divided into branch pipe called laterals. So these branch pipes are also known as laterals. So from the laterals, service connections are given to the consumers. Okay. So this type of layout is adopted for older towns which have developed in a haphazard manner. The water supply mains have to be taken along the main roads and branches then taken off wherever needed. Thus, it will form a number of dead ends. So, this system is suitable for localities which expand irregularly and where the water pipes have to be laid at random due to the absence of any planned road network. Okay. So what are the advantages of this system? So the distribution network can be solved easily and it is possible to easily and accurately calculate the discharges and pressure at different points in the system. Then here lesser number of cut-off valves are required. So these are the cut-off valves. See here. Cut-off valves. So here there are lesser number of cut-off valves are used. And shorter pipe lengths are required. And the laying of the pipe is easier. It is cheap, simple and can be extended or expanded easily. So next we will discuss about the disadvantages. So in this method, water can reach a particular point only through one route. So any damage or repair in any pipeline will completely stop the water supply in that area which are being fed by that pipe. Therefore, if damage occurs or repair is taking place in a main or in a submain pipe, considerable areas may get affected. Second one is there are numerous dead ends in this system which prevent the free circulation of water, and also this stagnation of water may lead to degradation of the water quality. Therefore, this stale water should be removed periodically at all the dead ends by providing scour valves at each dead end. So this will result in a greater wastage of treated water and will necessitates the careful attendance at each valve. Third one is, in this system, the discharge is reaching a point from only one direction. So, the supplies during the firefighting cannot be increased by diverting any other supplies from any other side. So, this is not suitable for firefighting purpose. So next type of system is grid iron system. This system is also known as interlaced system or reticulation system. In this system, the main, submain and branch are all interconnected with each other. Generally, in a well-planned city, the roads are generally developed in a grid iron pattern, and the pipelines in such places can follow them easily. Therefore, this system is suitable for well-planned towns and cities. See here, this is the image of the diagram of grid iron system. Here, this one is the main pipeline. Okay, this one is the main pipeline from where the submains are to which the submains are connected, and see here, these are the from the submain, these are the laterals. These are the laterals. So all are interconnected with each other. So next we will discuss about the advantages of this system. So since the water reaches at different places through more than one route, the discharge to be carried by each pipe, the friction loss and the size of the pipe can be reduced. Second one is, in case of repairs, very small area will be affected, as some supply will be reaching at the point from some other route. Because of the third one is, because of different interconnection, the dead ends are completely eliminated, and therefore water remains in continuous circulation, and hence it is not liable to pollution due to stagnation. Third one is, during fire, more water can be diverted towards the affected point from various directions by closing the cut-off valves. So this will be suitable for fire fighting purpose. Next, what are the disadvantages of this system? So this system requires more length of pipelines and a large number of cut-off valves. Its construction is costlier and the design is difficult and costlier. Therefore, calculation for determining the size of the pipe and pressure at various points is a tedious job, and it may require the service of design experts. So the design is difficult and costlier. Third one is ring system. This system is also called as circular system. In this system, a closed ring, either circular or rectangular, of the main pipe is formed around the area to be served. See the diagram. Here, see here, this one is the main pipe, and the main pipe is provided around the area. So this is the main pipe. This is the main pipe, this is the main, and this one is the main pipe. Here this is the main pipe. So main pipe is formed around the area to be served. Then the distribution area is divided into rectangular or circular block, and main water pipe are laid on the periphery of this block. See here, you can see here the main pipeline is how the main pipeline is placed on the periphery of the block. So segments may be placed. So here these are the from the main pipe, these are the segments pipe. So these are the segment pipe from the main pipelines. This one is the main pipeline, and from this these are the segment pipes. The ring system is very suitable for towns and cities having well planned roads. So this system can be used in combination with gridiron system. So in such a case, it will enhance the capacity of the gridiron system. And the advantage and disadvantage of the ring system is same as that of gridiron system. Next system is radial system. So if a city or a town is having a system of radial road emerging from different centers, the pipeline can be laid in a radial method by placing the distribution reservoir at these centers. See here, this one is the main pipeline. Okay, this one is the main pipeline. So in this system, water is taken from the water main. So water will be taken out from the water main. This is the main pipeline. And these are pumped into the distribution reservoirs placed at different centers. So this one is the distribution reservoirs. These marked as, see here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are distribution reservoir. This is one distribution reservoir. This is another. So there are 4 distribution reservoirs. So water is pumped from the main to the distribution reservoir, and the water is then supplied through radially laid distribution pipes. See here. So these are the distribution radially laid. These are the distribution pipes. So from the distribution reservoir, the water will be supplied through radially laid distribution pipes. So this method ensures high pressure and efficient water distribution. And the calculation for design of size are also simple. So these are the branches and these are the submain. From the main, the water is carried through the submain pipe to the distribution reservoir, and then from distribution reservoir through the branches it is supplied to the consumers. So this is all about the different layout system. Thank you.